it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 69 at Des Moines and 66 at Sioux City. Once again at noon, in the Twin Cities, it was 62 degrees under mostly sunny skies. This is weather radio station KEC65 Minneapolis-St. Paul, on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz, serving listeners throughout much of east central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, and transmit from the KSTP Eyewitness News Television Tower in St. Paul. The current time is 12:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. This afternoon, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of rain showers in the evening. Lows in the mid-40s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, cooler. Partly sunny. The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 12 NOAA weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.